everyone, my name is Eryn from Pueblo Science, and I'm a third-year undergraduate student at University of Toronto studying immunology and psychology. Today I'll be showing you how to make magic unpoppable bubbles using common items you can find in your very own home. By the end of this video, you will learn a little bit more about the chemical structure of bubbles, some properties of water including surface tension, and best of all, how to make a bubble inside another bubble to impress your friends and family. For this experiment, you'll need dishwashing liquid, glycerin, warm water, a spray bottle, straw, a jar to put your bubble solution in, as well as some measuring equipment such as a tablespoon and a measuring cup. To begin, you will start by making the bubble solution. To make the mixture, you will add 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of dishwashing liquid, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Mix until combined and place in a jar to save for the rest of the experiment. To begin, test out making a bubble on a dry surface. I'm choosing to use my kitchen table. Dip at least 1/4 of your straw into the bubble solution and then place it on an angle at your surface. Now attempt to blow a bubble. Notice here how I'm unsuccessful and the bubble pops almost immediately. Next, grab your spray bottle and liberally spray down your surface with water. Now grab your bubble solution and try making a bubble again on the wet surface. To your surprise, you'll now realize that you're able to make a bubble with ease. You'll now notice that you can even put your straw into the bubble and it won't pop. With this information, now you can even try making a bubble inside another bubble. The big question now is, how does this actually work? First of all, it's important to understand the chemical structure of water. Water is a simple molecule consisting of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Because the 2 hydrogen atoms are slightly positive and the oxygen atom is slightly negative, water can form unique bonds known as hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are characterized by the attraction between a hydrogen atom and another negative atom. In the case of water, this is oxygen. Because of its chemical structure, water has a ton of unique properties. Water molecules can display cohesive forces, which means the water molecules are strongly attracted to one another due to the multiple hydrogen bonds. Water also has high surface tension. This is caused by the water molecules on the surface being more strongly attracted to one another than the water molecules in the middle. In addition, bubbles are a pocket of air coated in a soap-water-soap sandwich. Putting all of this information together, a bubble pops when the water evaporates, making the bubble unable to maintain the surface tension. When the surface is wet, the bubbles won't pop because the water molecules on the surface are helping to maintain the surface tension by bonding cohesively with the water molecules in the bubble. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this experiment, we invite you to try this one at home and tag us at Pueblo Science with your finished product. If you want to see more science-related content like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Have a nice day!